Brandon here, and today we are going to continue with kind of a series that we've got going on now where we're looking at the new tables functionality within Google Sheets. And specifically, today we're going to look at its interoperability with Google Forms. So here I am, I'm in a sheet. This is a response sheet that is tied to this table, and it's just really simple. There's one question, favorite meal. And in this sheet, the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to select the sheet and we're going to go down to Format, Convert to Table. And as we've gone through before, this just really applies a couple of easy to use views as well as some standardization of the data as it's being submitted. And you're already in a good spot because if you're collecting the information via form, chances are, unless it's an open-ended question, you've already got some standardization of data there. But quickly, we can select the column type. We can just make sure that that's date time. We can go ahead and select this one to flip over to people. And on this one, it's fine because we've just got text, right? So you can see that it applied some standardization for the people chips, but what we can do from here is be able to group the data. So let's say that you've got a form, you're collecting the form, and one of the selections is like status or its priority level, or you are collecting some type of information that yourself or a team is going to access this spreadsheet and want to see grouped by, right? So in this case, we're just going to do the grouping by favorite meal. And you can see that it flips over and it now provides favorite meal, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and blanks, right? So it's taken the data that's already been submitted and it's sorted that data. So what happens if we receive a new form? So if we receive a new form, we're going to select another one being dinner, and we're going to submit. And if I come back over, you'll see that it just appended the last one underneath the sorting that's already taken place. So what do? Super easy, actually. We don't save. We just turn off the grouping and that will go through. You can see that it flags that this is not in the people chip order. So if you want, you can simply come over and give the people. That will actually apply it to any data that's been collected since then. And you can then go in and just group again. You can also save the view. So if I group by favorite meal and click save, then each time that I come to the sheet, and I want to apply that grouping, it's just there in the drop down. So really simple. The only thing is, like I said, it won't apply the existing data column structure to anything that's added, but it's super simple. You just go up to the top, select the data type, and that'll apply the standard, and then you can apply the grouping. So it's a really handy way of being able to look at your data in some really easy easy to view ways within Sheets as collected from a form. So I hope that helps. All right, later.